it's Georgia, and today we're hanging out with two special guests in Ulverstone, Tasmania. Mila, Molly! Good girl!
This is Mila.
And this is Molly. Let's go adventure!
Let's go.
Molly has heterochromia, which means she has two different coloured eyes. She has one brown and one blue. Isn't she unique? Good girl, Molly. Ready, Mila? 3, 2, 1, 3! Run, Mila, run! Good girl, Mila! And bring the ball back! Good job, Mila!
Mila is a border collie, which means she's a sheepdog. So she likes to run around and around, pretending she's trying to round up all of the sheep.
Good catch! And Molly, she just likes to chase Mila. She's not really interested.
Look at Mila eyeing off the balls. Ready, Mila? And throw!
Roll over! Good girl! They can do so many cool tricks, and we reward them by giving them special treats. High five! High five! High five!
Down.
Good girl!
Roll over.
Yay! Good girl!
Molly struggles a little because she's actually going deaf. That's why she barks a lot and she follows Mila's lead. Stop. Drop. Steady. Go. Good girl. She doesn't like to give the ball back to you, but she just likes to drop it on the ground. Ready? A big throw! Woo! Whoa! That was a really big throw!
They have big fur coats and really hot, which means they're attracted to the water. Sit. There you go. Drop. Oh, good girl.
Can you see the hypnotic stare that Mila's giving me? It's a border collie thing. It's called the eye. Roll. Good girl!
Watch this one. Be friends. Mila and Molly are 12 years old, but they still love the agility park. Let's go! Come on. Let's go, Mila. Let's do some jumping and some running. Let's go up. Good girl. And go. Good girl. Go. All the way up. Up, 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 up. And down. Good girl. Good girl, Mila. Molly loves to give Mila some words of encouragement while she's going through the agility training.
Ready, Molly? Let's go! Up! Good girl! Oh, Molly's getting distracted! Come on, Molly! Ready? Let's go have a drink, Molly. They need to stay hydrated just like us. A big drink from all that exercise. Good job, girls. Mila's panting. She's done a lot of exercise so far. Good girl. Border Collies need a lot of exercise because they are a sheepdog. When we're patting dogs, we have to use gentle hands. We should not tug on their hair.
Once the dogs have done lots of training, they get super hot and super sweaty. Do you think we should take them down to the beach, Chloe?
Yes! Let's go!
In most places, our dogs should be kept on a leash so we can keep them safe from all the other dogs and keep control of them. Let's go, Mila. We're going to the beach. This sign here means that dogs need to stay on their leash when we go on this path and along the blue bridge.
Let's go, girls!
We're getting closer.
Molly knows we're nearly at the beach. She's excited! Look, we made it to the off-leash beach. Mila and Molly love it here because they love to swim in the water. Are you ready, girls?
Let's let them off and watch them run.
Yay! Whoa!
Look, Mila's found a stick. Oh, she's dropped it for us. Let me throw it for her to get again. You ready, Mila? Whoa! They love playing catch.
One thing we have to remember when we're throwing sticks in the water to the dogs is to make sure we throw it away from them so they don't catch it in their mouth. Look at her stalking the stick! There's that border collar eye we were talking about. They've even made some doggy friends. So much fun. Some dogs love to swim in the water, but some don't. See, Mila loves the water, but Molly not so much.
She's doing the doggy paddle.
And Molly's just watching. Whoa, Georgia! Look, Mila has a ginormous stick. Good job. Whoa, you're very clever. Should I throw this ginormous stick in the water for her? Ready? Catch! Good girl! She's very clever to grab onto the stick and climb up and shake! Watch her shake off all the water! Oh, girls, you're all wet and soggy now. Maybe we need to go take you for a bath.
I know where we can go, and it's really close by.
Let's go then! Come on! Mila! Mila!
Molly! Now we've got to put them back on their leads to take them to the dog wash.
Ready to go!
Mila has so much fur. There we go.
Let's go!
Now it's time for the dog wash.
Come on! Are you ready for a wash?
I think they're ready to go.
They're very noisy! Woof, 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 woof! We gotta take Molly's harness off so it doesn't get wet. and soppy when we give her a bath.
There we go. Almost there, Molly.
Shake, shake, shake. Here it is. We'll put it here for safekeeping. Okay, girls, who wants to go first? Mila or Molly?
Okay, up you get, up you get. Up you get. Up you
go. Oh, now we've got to close the gate. Click. Oh, it started. Let's give him a rinse. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse, rinse. That feels nice, doesn't it, girls? Georgia, would you like a turn?
Oh, yes, please.
You can wash, Mila.
There we go, Mila.
Wash, 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 wash. Wash the puppies, yeah. Wash, 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 wash the puppies, yeah.
Whoa.
Georgia, you got splattered from the shaking.
Oh, no.
Gotta make sure we wash every part of their fluffy body so they're all fresh and clean. Hello, good girls.
What comes next after their shampoo?
Now I'm gonna press the next button for the next step. Let's give them a rinse.
Rinse off the shampoo.
Rinse off all of that soapiness. Good job. Shake, shake, shake.
Would you like another turn, Chloe?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, this is fun.
Whoa.
And it's nice and warm. I'm sure that feels nice after your fun time at the beach, girls. Okay, let's press the next button now. And rinse. Gotta get the tail. Whoa. Maybe we could sing a doggy song, Georgia.
M-O-L-L-Y.
M-O-L-L-Y. M-O-L-L-Y. And Molly is her name. Now I think it's time to give them a massage.
Oh, okay. Give you a nice massage.
Ready? Scrub, 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 scrub.
Scrub, scrub.
Yeah, I'm sure that feels good.
And they've stopped barking.
Ah.
They must really like it.
Rub, 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 scrub. Good job.
Whoa, Molly!
I think we're ready for the next step now. We've given them a nice massage. It's time for the blow dry.
Okay, let's press the button.
Here's the special blow dryer. A little bit different to the one I have at home. Hey, Georgia.
Yeah.
Okay, ready, girls? A bit of air. Yay!
Mila wants the shake dry.
Good
How
job.
about we put it on the turbo blow dry?
Okay. Whoa! So noisy! And dry, dry, dry.
That will get the job done faster.
Look, she's trying to bite the air. That's a bit silly. You're silly, Mila. Okay, time to look. Did you have fun? It'll be all fresh and clean, girls. Are you girls ready to come out now? Yes.
Okay, let's open it up and go.
Good job, girls. So fresh and clean from our big adventure. One final
the
shake. Okay, time to use this special doggy brush to brush the doggies. Gotta get all the tangles out. There's two sides to this brush. One for getting the knots out and one for smoothing. Oh! Is it Molly's turn now, Mila? Let's give her a brush. Good job.
We're almost finished, girls. You've been very patient.
Okay, Georgia, would you like a turn brushing now?
Sure thing.
Here you go.
Border Collies have two coats of fur. They have the undercoat and the top coat, so they can stay nice and warm in the winter.
Look, they finished the special doggy bath. Do you feel good now, Molly? Yeah.
Well, it's time for us to go home now. We've had so much fun hanging out with our friends, Mila and Molly, in
Ulverston, Tasmania.